Hi, this is Sensei Craig here with Jackson and Javon. We're at the karate school, and today's trick was to learn, not trick, I should say. Today's learning event was to learn how to fix a flat. So Sensei Craig got a bicycle here, a little bicycle, and it had two flat tires. So we tried to fix the flats. We started by inflating, and then when we found the holes, we used our Schwinn repair kit. This is the worst repair kit that I've ever used in my entire existence. So, we're trying to fix this, and let's show you what's inside it. Javon, you got those pieces?
Yeah.
This is the tire iron. There's nothing wrong with that. That's a cool little piece. That's like one of the best pieces in here. Now, for a fix-a-flat kit, some of the things that came in here was a needle to fix the flat on a bicycle. Not gonna happen. Then we have this air tube connector. Does this help fix a flat on a tire? Then we have no glue. No glue comes in this $4.99 garbage kit. Sorry, Schwinn. We got to get it together. Now, and these are, Javon's showing you, look at this. This is one of my favorite yellow belts, too. Look at this. This is an adhesive back, self-sticking patch. And right now, that's the stickiness of the patch. You see that? So that means we have tires. Here, you try.
It can't be that.
It is that not sticky. Let's put it on your nose and watch this. Look.
Just move your nose.
Move your nose. Oh wow. Oh wow. Just sneeze on me. It seems to be holding now. So either way, it is not the funnest kit. And at the end of the day, we were trying to fix a flat. And this is what happens when you try to fix a flat with this kit. It does not work. It does not hold air. It does not seal the tire. So all in all, we're going to have to give this a thumbs down. A thumbs down for the Schwinn Deluxe bicycle repair kit, which is not a full bicycle repair kit because it don't have no glue and it's got a needle for a ball and some other type of Schwinn.
It's not deluxe.
It's not deluxe. It's not deluxe. So if I had to use this because I was outside riding my bike and I wanted to fix it, I would still be walking my bike with a flat tire. We gotta go. We'll talk to you shortly when we get our bike fixed. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Javon. Say bye, Jax. See y'all later. Peace.